Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sugar cookies for decorating. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, unsalted butter, and large eggs. Make sure your butter is softened to room temperature. This is crucial for a smooth dough. A good quality vanilla extract will give your cookies that wonderful, classic taste. Having everything ready before you start makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's mix our dough. Cream the softened butter and sugar together until the mixture is light and fluffy. Then, beat in the eggs one at a time, followed by the vanilla. Gradually add your dry ingredients, mixing until just combined. Overmixing can make cookies tough. Once your dough is ready, wrap it tightly and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. This step is vital to prevent your cookies from spreading too much during baking. After chilling, it's time to roll and cut your cookies. Lightly flour your work surface and rolling pin to prevent sticking. Roll the dough to a consistent thickness, about 1/4 inch for even baking. Use your favorite cookie cutters to cut out shapes, pressing firmly for clean edges. Re-roll any scraps, but try not to overwork the dough. Place the cut-out cookies on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Finally, let's bake and cool our delicious cookies. Bake them in a preheated oven until the edges are just lightly golden. This usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes, depending on their size and your oven. Once baked, let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Ensuring they are fully cooled before decorating is key for beautiful, stable designs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.